back students to module 2 genetic engineering and genomics. In this module we'll be discussing about introduction to DNA fingerprinting, one of the very interesting technique, my dear students. So let me just introduce what is needed or what is all there in this technique of DNA fingerprinting. So let me just explain you with the help of one picture. Look at this picture or look at this picture, or either look at you and look at me. What is that is making us unique from each other? Yes, my dear students, can you just tell me what is there that is making you and me, or around you, your friends, anyone in your community or anyone around you, that is making us unique from each other? The answer lies within you. You know what? The answer is nothing. It's your own genetic material. It's a genetic material that is making us unique from each other. And that genetic material is which one? That genetic material is nothing. It's our DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid, which is making us unique from each other. The DNA is called as cookbook of our life. You know that? Why? Because it tells us that how we'll be going to grow or how we'll be going to develop. And sometimes it is also called as blueprint of our life. So DNA is the cookbook and also called as blueprint of our life. We can see clearly that what is making us unique. Now let us see that what amount of information do we share among each other, or among your friends, or among your community, or in your family also. The 99% is the similarity that we share among each other, that is making us same. We share 99% of information, and only 1% is that difference which is making us unique. And it's a very small amount which is making you, me, and everyone around you unique from each other. So what do you mean by this? You can say that in the cookbook we all are same, but we differ only with the recipe what is getting prepared. The difference in the cookbook for us can be just the recipe what is making us difference. So that is why this picture or you and me is getting unique from each other. Now do you want to really see that what are these unique sequences called as? So let me just introduce you that what are these unique sequences called as. In the entire population where there are unique sequences, these unique sequences are called as VNTR, that is variable number of tandem repeats. And let me just define VNTR for you. VNTR is nothing, it's an unusual basis of 20 to 100 base pairs which are repeated several times. And my dear students, as I told you that they are highly polymorphic, means as it is unique among each other, they are highly polymorphic. And do you know what is the probability of repeating this sequence? It is 1 in 300 million. 1 in 300 million. And the scientists who discovered this, they discovered this in the year 1980. And there were two scientists who discovered this, that is A. Wyman and R. White, who discovered VNTRs for us. So as the length of VNTR is different among individuals or among us, which is making us unique, it helps us in a very interesting technique. What I'm just telling you is DNA fingerprinting. That means VNTR acts as a key factor in DNA fingerprinting. And we'll be soon discussing how this technique will work or what is this technique all about. So in this next module, I'll be telling you about the DNA fingerprinting. So in this module, I just completed introduction to DNA fingerprinting, and let me just come back in the next module with the DNA fingerprinting technique. Till then, thank you students.